Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to use Cash App on a computer. If you've been using Cash App on your phone and want to switch things up for a bigger screen, you're in the right place. Cash App is super popular for sending and receiving money, but did you know you can access it from your desktop or laptop too? Let's get started. First things first, fire up your favorite web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and head over to the official Cash App website at cash.app. That's right, no need to download anything extra, it's all web-based for convenience. Once you're on the site, you'll see a login page. Enter your email address, phone number, or Cash App username, followed by your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up right there, it's quick and secure. Hit that Log In button, and boom, you're in. Now, let's explore the dashboard. You'll see your current balance front and center, along with a summary of your recent transactions. It's pretty straightforward, just like the mobile app. From here, you can easily check your transaction history by clicking on the relevant tab. Want to send money? It's simple. Click on the Send option. Enter the recipient's Cash App tag, email, or phone number, type in the amount, and add a note if you like. Double-check everything for accuracy, then confirm the payment. Remember, you'll need to verify your identity or link a bank account if you haven't already. One thing to keep in mind: the web version might not have every feature available on the mobile app, like the Bitcoin buying option or instant deposits. If you run into limitations, it's always a good idea to switch back to your phone for full functionality. And there you have it. Using Cash App on your computer is a breeze. It's perfect for when you're working at your desk or managing finances on a larger screen. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.